Hi guys, so we thought we'd just quickly jump in before this vlog starts just to say a couple things that we just wanted to iron out before we play the video.
Yes.
So this is just our experience of Tour C, the group package tour in El Nido, one of the top 4 tours ABCD. We only did C, and this video you will see just our experience and how we felt during that day. Now of course it is no reflection on El Nido as a place, but the specific tour that we did, because El Nido is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, we absolutely loved El Nido, and the scenery is just beautiful.
It's amazing.
But we just always get a little bit uncomfortable when there's just so many people around, and we just can't really take it all in as well as you might do in maybe a private tour, which we would definitely recommend.
Yeah, so as you will soon see in the video, there are crowds and crowds and crowds in every single location, and that does make it difficult. Now if that doesn't bother you, which it might not, this is just us.
I mean, we've done a little poll on Instagram, and a lot of people it wouldn't bother at all. So if that's you, then the group tour is great. But we're just one of those people that we like to have a bit more space when we see places.
And I don't want to see a whole scene with just a entire crowd of orange life jackets in front of it. But if that doesn't bother you, crack on, do the tour, you'll love it.
Yeah.
But as you'll see in a minute, our experience wasn't as incredible as a lot of people led us to believe on YouTube, Instagram, etc.
So that being said, as with all of our videos, here is our honest take, our experience on Tour C in El Nido.
Yeah. Okay, good morning from El Nido. So we have been here a day or so, and today we are going on a tour. We're going on Tour C, and I will list the places that it's going to on the screen because as per usual I can never remember. We are going any minute. It is boiling hot today, and yeah, it should be a good day.
Oh, it's going to be awesome. I can't wait to explore the little islands around and loads of snorkeling. That's one of my favourite things to do here, so it's going to be awesome.
I hope so, and it'll be good to get out on a boat. We haven't been out on a boat yet.
No, we haven't, which seems crazy for Philippines, but yeah.
But yeah, so let's go. Wow. That's a lot of people.
We got a new guide.
Yeah, we just
traded people.
Nobody's really said anything. We're just following this guy.
Following this guy right here.
Yeah, don't really know what's going on. And the amount of boats here, I can't even count. There's so many boats here. It's about 9:30 in the morning.
Keep going.
It's like a massive bus terminal of boats.
A boat terminal. Okay, so here we've got to walk out to the boat. We happen to be the furthest one out, so we've got to walk out. I don't know how deep it's going to go.
It's going to go up to your hips. Yeah, it's going to go over your hips. We're over there with this one here.
Yeah, no one really says much. It's a bit weird. Everyone's really quiet and they say, okay, go. So, yeah.
Well, we better go. I've got to take off my clothes.
It made it to the first stop, Helicopter Beach. Excuse my hat, long hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty busy. We kind of knew this would happen when you come on one of these tours, but it's absolutely rammed.
Yeah, you've got a designated area where you have the snorkels that everyone's kind of on top of each other, but I mean it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we've just been told that we're leaving already. I swear we've been here for like 20 minutes, it feels like. It's really quick.
It was very quick,
I saw 2 pretty large jellyfishes, so that kind of freaked me out. I had to scream at Tony because she was about to swim into one. And yeah, now we're going back on the boat to our next place. I think I could do with a beer. I think it's not even 10 a.m.
Me too. I think there's more people than fish, to be honest.
There is actually.
That is actually, like 3 boats have left already. So yeah. All fun and games.
Yeah, I didn't see a lot of fish, like at all.
No.
Saw 2 jellyfish.
Saw 2 jellyfish and a couple of little ones in the coral.
Yeah.
But like, that was it.
Nearly got kicked in the head a couple times, but
Yep.
yeah. Now we're going back on the boat and off to our next place.
Our lunch stop, and it's pretty amazing view, to be fair. I look at this. It is crazy. And now we've got, I think, 2 more stops. Not sure where they are. I think one's called a hidden beach, or is it a secret beach?
No, we've been to Hidden Beach.
Been to Hidden Beach. There's a secret beach. Yeah, somewhere else. I'm not sure. Don't know.
We don't know.
We'll put them up somewhere. But yeah, so it's pretty fast paced. Like you stay somewhere for like 20-30 minutes and then you're off again. And it's about 20-30 minutes to get there each time. So it's a pretty fast paced trip, but it's been pretty cool. It's really, really busy when you hit a certain spot. Like here was another example. There's a viewpoint, like just up there.
It's like up here somewhere.
And like when we arrived, there's probably 50, maybe 60 people trying to climb up to see it. And I think that's kind of like, that's everywhere you go when you go to these kind of popular touristy spots. But we already kind of knew that before we came. Like tours aren't really our thing, but we thought we had to do one when we were in El Nido. So yeah, just a little bit of insight really.
But this is gorgeous.
Exactly. So take it with a pinch of salt because we are in an absolutely beautiful location. I'm sorry, this is ridiculous. Like secret beach night. Oh.
Okay, so we've made it to the secret beach, which is our 3rd stop, and I think somebody let the secret out.
Okay, I get that these places are touristy and busy.
I love that you got your goggles on.
But like, you can't even swim through the gap. Like, you're genuinely having people grab your legs and push you around. It's like being in an Ironman race.
I was literally just going to say that. It's like being in a triathlon. And like you're pulling on each other's legs to get through. It's mad.
Oh.
I knew we should have stayed on the boat.
I don't know. I don't want to be really negative. I really don't. But like, there isn't anything to have fun. When you can't have fun when it's like this crazy.
I don't even think the footage is doing it justice. I really don't.
Well, because it's a wide angle, you're getting all the background in more.
It's like, I actually couldn't swim. I can't swim. I can't go straight. I can't get around anybody. This is worse than the 4-island tour in Koh Lanta.
Oh yeah, by far.
And Koh Sok National Park. This is the busiest area we've ever been on a tour, ever.